mic on? Yes. I had to check if the mic is on. Welcome to a beautiful jungle. I'm Sharon. Excuse me. We're getting ready to go on vacation. And this whole week has been about getting everything together. Whew. It's the last time we were on vacation was 2019. So, and it was 7 of us and 5 children, and the babies, they were young. They were small children. But it's kind of difficult to, like, I'm finding it very difficult to pack for 7 children. This time it's 7 children, it was 5 children. So, you know, getting the house together. I had to do the laundry, clean the house before we leave, because once you get back, you kind of like need a breather too, because then we have to jump right back into getting ready to go to school, back to school mode. So my daughter Nevaeh and I came out here and we did a quick harvest that was well needed, because there's a lot of stuff, because I've just been running around this whole week. I had to get my daughter's hair done, get my hair done, and a lot of the produce, my peppers, my things like that, and tomatoes, even my tomatillas. Yes, the ones I was looking forward to. Even those were not doing that well. But anyway, we got some good stuff. We have, this looked like something I would put on my table as decoration. Clearly, I've been missing. I was telling you, you could come out here one day and say, oh, I give it a couple of more. I give it another day or so, and this is what you're going to get. Decorations. So, but then we got 1 cucumber. That was good. And then we got 3 of these actually, but one of them was not pollinated well. So, you know, it has like the big part and then the real skinny part. So that's compost. So we got 2 of these. I'm going to put them inside the refrigerator and see if I can just do, like, I don't know, I'll try something, or even save the seeds for next year. Because this is the cucumber from that volunteered from the compost that we planted when we planted the sweet potatoes in that bed. So that's this cucumber. So, but let me put the bowl up here so you guys can see. Nevaeh, hold the camera like right here. Hold right here, just like that. Yeah. So we have tomatoes, some really good sized tomatoes. I really did not want to leave any tomatoes sitting outside getting ripe, because I didn't want to come back and see flies in the house. You know, those little fruit flies? I did not want that to happen. But I think I'm just going to leave some vinegar and soap. And plus we have a catchy thing that catches the flies. So I just have to make sure that I change the trap before I go. So we have some tomatillas, and it's a pretty big harvest because I was not out here. I was in the house, or I was on the streets taking care of some stuff. So this is the long Japanese eggplant. So we have 2 of these. But this is a really, look how gorgeous this is. Nice and big, huh? Yeah. So we're gonna go inside and get the rest of our stuff together for our trip. I guess you guys are gonna see this when thank you all for watching A Beautiful Jungle with Sharon. I would like to say thank you to The Real Life of an OCD Chick for spotlighting my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And Hands in the Dirt as well on their chat. Ooh, this sun is drawing my energy. Like, I'm not even able to focus, and mostly my focus has been on trip, getting everything ready. I thought I saw a hornworm, and you guys already know, if you've been here, you know I get distracted real quick. Whew, lordy. All right, I'm gonna go inside and get the rest of my stuff together. The owl is gonna miss me. So I'm gonna get ready and get our things together because we're leaving early in the morning and we're driving, not flying. So thank you all for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on your notification bell for when I upload a new video, and have a blessed day. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Yay! Are you 1? Are you 2? Are you 3? Are you 4? Are you 5? Are you 6? Are you 7? Are you 8? Are you 9? 9! Woo! Happy birthday, Jaden! Yay! That was good. You made a wish? You made a wish? Amen.